Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a pop-up inside WinCC SCADA through VB script. In the previous tutorial, we will learn how we can configure the pop-up window through a picture window. But in this tutorial, we are not using the picture window. So we'll configure the pop-up without picture window. As you can see, if I will click over the image, so the pop-up will appear. So this pop-up we configure it without the picture window. So let's see how we can configure it. So WinCC Explorer is open now. So come here in the graphic designer. We already developed in the previous tutorial video this motor pump pop-up. So we'll use same pop-up in this tutorial video. So we'll open the main screen. Just open it, main screen. So graphic designer is open now. So select the pump and come in the event, then mouse. So then press left, right click, VBS action. So I will put it here my script. Then after that I will explain it. Like DM pump one pop and set. I will copy the same pop-up name and then equal then, and we'll use the open screen in pop-up function. So I'll put first the name of my pop-up screen, the name of this one, the motor one pop-up. So I will put the same motor one pop-up, and after that I will put the title, what title I want, like I want to put pump one, just I want to put pump one, and that's it. So I'll check, no error in my code. I will run it, save, and run. So Windows runtime application is open now. Now click over the pump. So as you can see, the pop-up is open now. So as you can see in the pop-up, like either the title is not there. So I will close it, come again here, and again select the pump, this VBS action, and for the title, I will just copy it here. It's copied, and after that, caption text is equal down, copy and paste, and then we'll check. There's no errors. Let's save it, and run it. So now I click it. As you can see, now the pump one title is appear here now. So now we'll explain the our script. Come back again and open the VBS section. So I will just explain. So this is our open screen pop-up function. So inside, first we have to mention the name of our process picture that we want to open. So we mention the name of our picture that we want to open. And after that, the name of pop-up screen that we want to put it, we put it here. And rest other, I just put it empty. I never want, like I will explain. The tag prefix, we are not using in our this tutorial prefix. Might be we will learn in our advanced tutorials. Then the control position of the pop-up screen left, and so in this case, like it will come in the middle. And if you want to specify any the left position of your pop-up, any of the specific position, you can mention it. And then the top control position in the top side, if you want to mention it, you can mention it. Okay, and similar manner, if you want to disable the close button, you can specify where the close button you want to display or not. Similar manner, if you want never want like to enable the title also, you can disable it. You can put it false value. And similar, that open close screen are also triggered, like once you click it, and if screen is already open, it will close it automatically. It will work as a toggle button. So in this our case, I did not mention it here. If you want to specify any settings, like if you want on the left side, like any of the setting you want to put it, you can put it. But this is just a beginning tutorial, so I did not mention it anything. But in the advanced tutorial, we will see how we can use these all settings in our program. So that's it. So Alhamdulillah, now we learn how we can configure the pop-ups, our pop-up screen inside WinCC SCADA without picture window. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.